If you've been hearing a lot about Oktoberfest and you're a bit confused, since it's not even October yet, you're not alone. You see, Oktoberfest in Germany usually starts around the middle of September and runs for about 3 weeks. Well, here in the States, we celebrate it in October. So to celebrate it at home this year, rather than in a crowded bar or restaurant, I thought it'd be fun to make a German classic, as well as to dress the part. We start off by combining ground beef and pork with some caraway seeds, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. After it's mixed, we form it into oval patties, then coat them with some breadcrumbs before sauteing them until they're cooked through. Once they are, we take them out of the pan and add in some mushrooms and brown gravy. While this simmers, you can heat up some spatzel and red cabbage to round out the meal. Come dinner time, simply smother the patties with the mushroom gravy and dig in, 'cause each bite will make you feel like you're at Oktoberfest. To get the recipe for our Oktoberfest patties, all you have to do is go online now. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Fraulein Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and festive way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good." Delicious?
That is good.